Who doesn't like a free airdrop? Well, there is one coming on Bitcoin DeFi and some projects that we've been talking about for a little bit on this channel. We've been learning more and more about Bitcoin DeFi, what's being built out on there. There's still a lot to learn. I've been very transparent about that on this channel. My whole journey through what began with Ordinals, the Ordi wallet, turned into Unisat, turned into Alex Labs. You should be familiar with that if you've been watching our channel. If not, subscribe, turn on notification bell, because we're trying to keep you guys informed of what's going on. Well, yes, there is a new airdrop coming. I want you guys to be aware of it. You have until February 28th, I believe. You might want to do it before February 28th to participate in this airdrop for something that might be extremely huge when it comes to Bitcoin DeFi. That being said, it is pretty confusing, so let's put on our thinking caps, try to figure it out together, and talk a little bit about what the facts are on this one, guys. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can get access to the TAP airdrop for Bitcoin Taproots, and there's some other tokens you can airdrop. And how do you do it? By holding TRAC. We're going to talk a little bit about it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to try to talk you guys through this a little bit. It's a doozy, so bear with me. Stick around to the end and subscribe to continue to learn alongside with us as we're getting deeper and deeper into this ecosystem, which I believe is the largest narrative for the upcoming bull market, going to potentially bring some of the biggest gains, not necessarily these tokens in particular, but this ecosystem's growing, and I'm learning about different plays within it, so we're going to continue to look in. Now, today, let's talk about TRAC. Here's the airdrop. Here's what you need to know. Just kind of looking through Twitter, pulling some information for you guys, all in one place. So TRAC technicals getting extremely tight against that downtrend resistance. You can see, you know, on a TA level, this is looking decent. But the big point I want to lay out to you here is snapshot for the TAP airdrop is on the 28th. I've been looking around on Twitter. This is verified by several accounts, guys. So that's what it's looking like. How do you participate in this airdrop? You hold TRAC. Now, there's this swap functionality where you swap your TRAC for Karma, and there's a lockup. That's a little confusing. I'm not going to dive too much into that today. I'm still learning, like I said, fully transparent with you guys. How do you get access to this airdrop, though, of TAP tokens? You get access by holding TRAC. Why is this significant? Well, Taproots is enabling more DeFi building on Bitcoin through essentially through the ordinals technology, through the concept of ordinals, just improving on it. Bitcoin DeFi is getting better. You hear people talking about Ethereum all the time, and Ethereum L2s, you know, are the narrative. Everybody's looking for the Ethereum L2s, and what's the next L2 that's going to make Ethereum better and faster and stronger and quicker? Well, Taproots and Stacks are two very big things when it comes to Bitcoin DeFi. Stacks is obviously enabling DeFi on Bitcoin. Taproot is an upgrade that came to Bitcoin a while ago as well that has improved Bitcoin DeFi as well. I'm still learning the technicals on it, exactly how it works out. But here's the concept, guys. I want the airdrop because I don't know how it's going to perform, but I think it's going to perform very well. The theory is this, guys. Ethereum's market cap back in December of 2023 was $270 billion. Approximately 28% of the market cap of Ethereum was what was in Ethereum's DeFi, okay? Now, if 28% of the market cap of Bitcoin is put into Bitcoin DeFi, well, then that means that we could see up to $238 billion in Bitcoin DeFi. That was a 7.4x from the time of the snapshot back in December of 2023. Bitcoin's now $1 trillion market cap, and so this number goes up when this number goes up. I think Bitcoin could be a $3 to $4 trillion market cap by the end of this bull cycle. We'll have to see how it plays out. So Bitcoin DeFi could be maybe as high as $1 trillion. And so where's the $1 trillion going to go? I don't know if it's all going into one thing, 10 things, or the other thing, but TRAC is a token that is improving Bitcoin DeFi. TAP is a token that's associated with the Taproots protocol, which is improving Bitcoin DeFi. Obviously, Stacks is something we've been bullish on in a while. Here's another concept to think about. Ordinals Bitcoin DeFi projects, Ordinals Bitcoin projects market cycle is pretty much copying the Ethereum DeFi market cycle to a T. Something we've been talking about consistently on this channel. We're saying, guys, that this iceberg and the valuation of Ethereum DeFi is going to happen to Bitcoin DeFi, which is just being built on the first time. Everybody looks at the tip of the iceberg, but what's going on underneath? that gets very complicated and confusing. Now, we're continuing to learn about this as we go along. This is a new ecosystem for me, but I want to show you guys. I personally do own 155 TRACs. It says it's $830 worth, so a relatively small bag. For me, I personally want to get some more of this. I plan on getting more of this. There's some other tokens that I'm looking at getting, like Sovereign and Arcadico that I've been talking about. Now, Alex Labs is the one you're probably most familiar with, guys. Now, this is one that I've been talking about when it comes to the first DeFi protocol, the super app for all things DeFi on Bitcoin. I've been talking about Alex. I own $10,000 right now, or actually a little bit more, 11 grand worth of Alex tokens personally. Yes, I'm sharing my bags with you for ultimate transparency. You can see some of the other tokens that I have as well. I'm very bullish on Alex Labs, but there's more going on, guys. I also want to show you guys that if you hold TRAC, which again, I showed you guys, I am holding the TRAC. Not only are we apparently going to get this TAP token airdrop to us, which I'm still learning more about, but we're also going to access these Karma tokens as well. And so you don't even necessarily have to do that swap that I was talking about earlier to get that. If you apparently swap your TRAC for Karma, you can get more of these Karma tokens. Do I want Karma tokens or do I want TRAC tokens? Still learning on that. I don't have the answers for you there. We are exploring together, and I'm staying transparent here. This is the landing page, by the way, for the TAP protocol. When you go to the website, you'll notice that the TAP protocol is essentially, whoops, wrong link to click. If you go to the website for the TAP protocol, you're going to go to TRAC, okay? So TAP protocol is TRAC. TRAC is TAP. How does that totally interact? Still got a lot to learn, guys. But they're enabling DeFi on Bitcoin. OrdFi. And so this is what the TAP is. OrdFi. And then obviously there's Pipe as well for essentially NFTs and collectibles on Bitcoin DeFi as well. Is this a competitor to Stacks? Great question. Let me know in the comments down below if you have the answer. I'm still learning, guys. Again, not giving you all the answers today. I'm just telling you where I'm exploring. Here's a little bit more information that I wanted to share with you guys. I was trying to learn more about the TAP protocol enabling financial operations directly on Bitcoin mainnet. What's even better is the TAP airdrop has just been confirmed. That's the point of the video, is if you want access to this airdrop, again, snapshot before the 28th. How do you buy it? You can buy it on Alex Labs. How? You go into the trade functionality here on Alex Labs. You can go, actually, you know what? I think I have that teed up for you right here. Here you go on Alex B20 platform. You can go in here. You got to go to the order book. You got to go to trade function. You got to go to the different assets listed here. You can go over to TRAC. You can place orders this way. Where else can you buy it? Well, if you go over to CoinGecko, they'll show you where it's listed. If you have access to Gate.io, Bitmark, Phamex, Ascend, CoinX, WebC, Unisat, OKX ordinals. But here's the key, guys. In order to qualify for this airdrop that we're all excited about for TRAC, you need to have it in a decentralized wallet. So if you go buy TRAC over on Gate.io or Bitmart or Phamex or any of these, you're not going to be able to get access. You're not going to be a part of the snapshot. It needs to be in a DeFi wallet in your own hands, right? Not in the hands of an exchange. The exchange will get that airdrop on your behalf, and the exchange will make money off you by getting that free airdrop. I think that's how it works anyway. So I'm still learning, guys. We've made a lot of great plays recently. We got into Alex Labs. We told you to buy this dip. This thing's moving up. Again, I don't do financial advice, but I told you I was looking at buying these dips. Orange, I think this one's still rallying. This is a brand new token. This is enabling Web3 wallet capabilities for Bitcoin DeFi, which arguably still has a lot of work to do. Leather's been doing great. A lot of people like Xverse Wallet. If you're looking for wallets to use to interact with any of these things, those are some of the big wallets. Unisat's also a wallet. I don't like that one as much. I like Xverse and I like Leather. Leather's the one that I use the most personally. But there's a lot going on. You're seeing that this is repeating the Ethereum DeFi narrative. Now, again, the DeFi protocols are up to, went up to $8 billion, $4 billion for Ethereum in the last cycle. And a lot of these things, guys, like TRAC right now, its market cap is only 100 million. And so if TRAC is able to get up to an $8 billion market cap, again, do you think Bitcoin on Bitcoin DeFi is going to be big? Do you think it can get to what some of the decentralized tokens on Ethereum can get to? Or do you think it get to a 4 or 10 or $8 billion market cap? Well, then if so, then you probably also believe that this thing can 40x, 80x, maybe even 100x, even from here. That sounds ridiculous. Maybe it is ridiculous. It's a $100 million market cap coin. Here we are speculating, guys. Here we are learning. We're being transparent. We're being honest on this channel, and we're learning. Very important that we are trying to learn more. We are trying to find more 10, 20, 50x, and 100x opportunities. You have an opportunity to get an airdrop of TAP. Are you going to do it? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you know about TAP? Let me know. DM me on Twitter if you have some light to shed on the issue for me, on the conversation, and maybe you can teach me. We're learning as we go, guys. That's the truth of it, and we're having a lot of fun and making a lot of money along the way. We made a lot of money on Welsh together recently, on Orange, on Alex. We're making bank. If you were following me on my Ordi plays, if you were following me back on my Sats 1000 plays when I bought them back in the summer of 2023. We're making good calls and we're learning as we go, and we're having a lot of fun. Become a member on the channel if you want to. You get access to our private Discord. You can do that in the link in the description down below. We just had 10 new members gifted to our viewers on our last live stream we did this morning. So make sure you check out the live streams every Monday through Friday. If you want to trade the day-to-day volatility on Bitcoin and crypto by using a leverage trading platform, well, Femex is a great one to do it on. One of my favorites on the iPhone. You can sign up for Femex in the link in the description down below. You get free money when you sign up. A lot of risk in leverage trading. Right now, my strategy is altcoins, but there is an argument to be made for leverage trading. Somebody in my chat just paid off all their debts with their success on leverage trading. Shout out to you, Brandon. I know that you are hyped about it. You told me in our chat this morning. Join us along our journey here as we get ready for a crypto bull market, guys. That's all I got for you in this one, folks. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel for more crypto content. And as always, friends, you got to remember to DCA and HODL. And, of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.